Okay, you're like me now and you find yourself at home. You can't access your regular methods of care, whether that be massage therapy or acupuncture or physio or your gym or all of those things. So, what I've got for you is a do it yourself at home stiff sore neck fix. You're just going to need a ball. So I've got a standard Wilson soft play volleyball of my son's. If this is too small, a basketball is going to be a little bigger. You could also use a physio ball that might be too big for some people, but find a ball and play around with this. So what you're going to do with the ball is you're going to hold it, and I want you to think of reaching from your armpit out into your pinky and ring finger and pressing into the ball on both sides simultaneously. Now what you're going to do with your other two fingers and your thumb is they're going to kind of grip the ball and try to gather and pull the ball towards you. So you're going to have this pull coming up the front of the shoulder. So this reach, press out the pinky and ring, and this grip, gather with your other two fingers and your thumb. So if you are prone to hyperextending the elbows, you want to find that co-contraction so that the elbows aren't locking out, okay? They can be straight, but you don't want that feeling of them locking out. You're going to feel your feet on the floor, find nice easy breath. Just let your sternum kind of soften, okay? Keep reaching and pressing, gathering and pulling. Then you're going to raise the ball a little bit. Keep thinking soft sternum, soft breastbone. Reaching and pressing, gathering and pulling. Soft breastbone. You might start to extend those arms overhead and extend the spine. You might then come forward and fold, thinking of reaching and pressing, gripping and gathering. Reaching and pressing, gripping and gathering. Reaching and pressing, gripping and gathering. And it's going to be quite a lot of work. So you might feel work happening in your forearms. You might feel work happening in your biceps or triceps, in your back, around your shoulders. All of those are good signs. It will get the tension that you may have been feeling in your neck out of there. Start waking up some other stuff. So give it a try. A little DIY fix for your stiff sore neck while you're at home. All you need is a ball. Let me know how it goes. Bye for now.